Welcome to this session on proactive risk analysis using FMEA and FMECA. Are you prepared to proactively manage risks before they turn into problems? Let's learn to prevent problems, not just fix them afterward. Understanding the cost of inaction versus the value of prediction is crucial. Transitioning from reactive to predictive approaches is vital for risk management. Reactive fixes versus proactive prevention. Which will you choose? Let's introduce a systematic tool for this shift. FMEA/FMECA has universal applications across various industries. From automotive to healthcare, its versatility is immense. Building reliability starts with understanding the key steps of FMEA. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of an FMEA analysis. Critical to this is the risk assessment with S, O, D, and RPN. Severity, occurrence, and detection. These define risk. Calculate the risk priority number, RPN, to prioritize actions. FMECA is crucial when criticality significantly impacts consequences. FMECA extends FMEA with criticality analysis. Let's explore this through a simple workshop example. Our example: analyzing the process of making tea/coffee. It's time for you to conduct a mini analysis. Choose a simple, everyday task to analyze for practice. Let's reflect on the deep questions behind FMEA, FMECA. What difficulties did you face and what benefits do you see? Let's summarize the valuable takeaways of FMEA, FMECA. Proactive risk management provides vast benefits. Join our community to practice and share your FMEA experiences. Apply your knowledge, share your experience, and learn from others.